On 6th of December, artisan cards and sewing machines were distributed to 7 beneficiaries from Sabina Teronpi at Loringthepi IB Town Committee office. During this occasion, blessings were also sought for the new upcoming film project titled Serdihun. Dilip Bey chaired the event and took the opportunity to introduce all the guests of the event. Horen Singh Bey, MP, Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, Kangbura Kiling, EMKAAC, Sabina Teronpi, social activists, ward commissioners and several dignitaries of the region attended the event. With a vision to uplift and popularize Karbi traditional attires, Sabina Teronpi had been working rigorously since the past several years. She had brought various state and central schemes for the women's society. Likewise, on 6th of December, Sabina Teronpi distributed artisan cards and sewing machines to 7 beneficiaries through the Ministry of Textile, Government of India.
Government of India, Textile, Craft, Pohaladak Office along, Government of India long. Nili tumapan la artisan ay card mama ketu, la tumapan si, nili tumapan ke, la so amane misin tame terang tame la son si nili tum kepajir.
Hence, to commemorate Karbi apparels, a feature film on Serdihun, the first women to weave clothes titled Serdihun was announced. And to kick off the shooting, blessings were also sought at the moment. Malinti Sopi, Harmony Bey, Mohendro Teron, Dilip Bey would be starring in the movie.
Film ta ingkulo nilitum la so film abang ke la kefir ketha. Anda tu film sing pulo amen bang ta Serdihun. Long Sodaring Test Report for Karbi Long Live.